There we go. Tell them what we're gonna do today, babe.
A mukbang.
A mukbang? This is our second time recording. Cause
with bento, eating the California roll with yum yum sauce. You know the vibes.
I had to record this video again because she thought we were gonna get canceled.
Shut the freak up.
So she says that we gotta record it.
Then we have more food.
Yeah, I know, right? Brian, I got cheesecake, bro.
And you're eating mine.
I'm not gonna eat a lot. And you're eating mine. Like you eat a lot. You do eat a lot. I got you eating a lot now.
Why's your face like that for?
Hmm?
Why your face like that?
Like how?
I don't know. I think I'm about to start tripping.
Our Twitter's is blowing up. Literally. I like it. Like my J's. My J's. Look so dead.
They're guests.
Hmm?
Slides.
You look unmotivated.
I look like I'm tripping.
I don't know. Nothing's happened yet.
It's about to start kicking in.
Yeah, I know.
I feel like I'm getting a little bit slow.
Yeah, I know. I'm going slow too. I'm seeing some effects I shouldn't be seeing.
I feel like I'm already done. Like after this fight, I'm done.
I'm not hungry.
And you're not?
Kind of. I'm gonna make this video long. Come to subscribe.
Subscribe. And like and comment.
Yeah, they'll listen to women. I don't think they listen to men. They're like more alpha than me. Like you got tattoos and shit.
Now.
Here, take the hoodie. I told you.
Watch him change, guys. This is
Oh my god.
free content.
Video stop. My hair's so fucked up. Here, mommy. I gotta put my red hoodie on.
Don't put it on your head.
Huh?
Don't put it on your head, baby.
Don't put it on my head? Like my hoodie top?
Yeah.
Leave it off? Alright. Why, it messes up my hair?
Yeah. He's cute. He's so handsome.
But I feel like my hoodie does like, it helps me.
No, it doesn't.
You don't think so?
No.
I think it does.
I was just
Crack
putting
my
on
shoulder.
hoodies.
ASMR. Have you seen the girls doing like the squid ASMR?
Mm-hmm.
That shit's disgusting.
That's good.
You think so?
You wouldn't eat that?
I mean, depends.
You wouldn't eat like live squid?
Nah, you bugging.
I wouldn't either.
Like, have you seen how they eat them? They like destroy the squid and then they just like eat it. Like, that's disgusting. Like, they're real Chinese women.
They're definitely like Japanese or Korean. Some
Yeah.
of them be Chinese, but
I wouldn't know shit. You're Asian. Does she look Asian or Latina? She looks Asian.
comment below what I look like. Do I look Asian or Latina?
Yeah, you see the way she said that? Or Latina. Exactly. We're gonna think you're Latina. You look Spanish as fuck. Yeah, dude. Just the way you wear your hair. I'm telling you, you can't look Asian like that. Like, this is how, like Latina girls wear their hair.
I don't know how anybody wears their hair.
But you wouldn't get the Asian pass. Like, I would never guess you're
full.
Asian. Same. And the video's done. It's 5 minutes in the video. Tell them fuck off and subscribe.
Fuck off and subscribe. Make sure you like and comment though. If you don't like and comment,
Come to your house.
no.
I'm beating you up.
We don't like you no more if you don't.
Yeah. And this is a weed channel.
I look rough. No makeup.
No, you look fine.
No.
Look you. At the video.